Your vitamin C serum is the reason why your acne will never go away, and here is why. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through why vitamin C might not be working for your skin, how to go about choosing the right formula of vitamin C, and choosing the one that is right for your skin type. Also, how to avoid breaking out from vitamin C and the do's and don'ts involved when using vitamin C. So if that sounds like what you're here for, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. First thing first, vitamin C is an antioxidant and basically is an active ingredient used to help target skin aging, brightening your skin, sun exposure and free radicals. However, a lot of people don't know how to choose the right vitamin C for their skin type because they just buy random vitamin C and start using and wonder why their acne don't go away. The major reason is because first, you are not choosing the right vitamin C serum for your skin type. Now, there are a lot of vitamin C. Vitamin C in its purest form is ascorbic acid. And ascorbic acid in itself is an active ingredient that actually needs like guidelines to use, because if you are using ascorbic acid as a certain skin type, it might irritate your skin or break you out. So here is what we are going to do. If by now you don't know what your skin type is, you can scroll to my video down below. I'm going to link it somewhere around the screen, and then you can know what your skin type is. So I'm going to be recommending vitamin C formulations you can use according to your skin type. If you have a dry skin type, you need to go for vitamin C that is formulated with hyaluronic acid and serum. Those are like hydrating ingredients that together with your vitamin C will help hydrate your skin and also brighten your skin. So if you have dry skin, you can use ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C in its purest form. It won't irritate your skin as long as it is formulated with hyaluronic acid, which most vitamin C serums are. However, if you have oily skin type, if your skin type is oily, ascorbic acid might not be the right vitamin C for you, which is why you are always breaking out whenever you have vitamin C serum in your routine. So here is what you are going to do. You still want to use vitamin C, you want to get all of the benefits from vitamin C, but then you need to know the right concentration for your skin type and the right formulation. So if you have oily skin type, the type of vitamin C you should be looking for is derivatives like magnesium ascorbic phosphate. Those are like gentler form of vitamin C that can work for your skin type, that can work for oily skin type, and are really gentle and won't irritate your skin. You can also use sodium ascorbic phosphate. Those two, magnesium ascorbic phosphate or sodium ascorbic phosphate, are derivatives of vitamin C you can use as an oily skin type girly. Now, if you have sensitive skin, so vitamin C can also irritate your skin in its purest form. Magnesium ascorbic phosphate too, the same one that works for oily skin type, can also work for you. Or you use the tetrahexyldeoxy ascorbate derivative. All these things might look like big grammar for you, but they are always written in the ingredient list. So it is something you can just pay attention to. Like, okay, this is the type of vitamin C derivative that they say works for my skin type, and you are going to go to the ingredient list on the particular vitamin C serum you want to buy, and you're going to check that particular ingredient list. So if it is present in it, fine, it's going to work for your skin. Otherwise, it won't. And also, there are a lot of reasons why vitamin C might not be working for your skin. Apart from the type of vitamin C it is, it might not work for your skin based on the concentration of the vitamin C or what it is formulated with. So different companies, different brands make vitamin C, so their formulation is quite different. You might see one that is made with magnesium ascorbic phosphate, and then it is formulated with something that contains oil, maybe seed oil or something that might actually be irritating for an oily skin type. So you need to be sure of the formulation and also the ingredient list. Also, there are certain people that 20% vitamin C don't work for. I've always said it on this channel that higher concentration does not mean better results. You can get vitamin C of 10% and it will work much more better than vitamin C of 20%. So you shouldn't be hell bent on, oh, because it is 20%, it's going to work more for me. What if 20% doesn't work for you? I, for example, now, niacinamide 20% doesn't work for my skin. It tends to break me out. So I have stuck to 10% of niacinamide or even lower concentration. So you need to be very observant of your skin and know what particularly works for your skin type. And third one is you are using an expired or oxidized vitamin C. The fourth one is you are using too much products in your routine. Fifth one I'm going to talk about is mixing your vitamin C. You are mixing incompatible products together. For example, you are using your vitamin C together with your retinol, or you are using your vitamin C with benzoyl peroxide. Those ingredients together don't actually really work unless they are formulated together. If they are formulated together, there are some vitamin C that are formulated with retinol, there are some retinol that are formulated with vitamin C. If that's what you are using, then that's totally fine. That's not the scope of what I'm actually talking about. So you might want to ask me, what is the right way to use vitamin C? The right way to use vitamin C is after cleansing your face on dry skin. I did not say damp. On dry skin, you can then apply your vitamin C. Then you wait for your vitamin C to fully absorb before applying other products. It's not that now after cleansing your face, without your face drying, you just use your vitamin C. After your vitamin C, put moisturizer, no drying down interval or anything. That's not going to work. It's going to cause your skin to be irritated and might be why you are constantly breaking out. So those are do's and don'ts when using your vitamin C, and I assure you that after following these guidelines, you see major difference in how your vitamin C works and how often your skin break out if vitamin C is the reason why you are constantly breaking out. Anyway, if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up and share this video with another person that you think their skin needs some glow up.